expert was wrong. I had a guy I knew, well, a guy I know. He's a so-called wood expert. And he said that this was a hard wood, and you can see what I'm doing with my fingernail. I got my sub box built out of this. Yeah, maple wood is nice. It held together very well. It's very solid, but this is too damn porous. Too porous. My plan was to soak it in resin, but I'm just gonna redo the box because I need to redo the port anyway, and I'm tired of just going back and forth with this. Plus, I want to make it a little cleaner and build some battery boxes and possibly just do some other things with it, seal it off a little better, and I want to get my amps from underneath and just do some different things. Stay tuned. Alright, this video got to be real quick because I'm inside Home Depot, got my wooden dowel and my supplies. This is the sheet that they sit on my cart. I know off GP that this is like sheathing that we use in the house, and this is like floorboard. That is not birch wood. I came to the aisle, I found my birch wood. This is what I'm looking for. I need to go down and check my bag while I'm at it. Thank y'all for Home Depot. Alright, this is where I'm at, y'all. It's a lot cleaner. Down here, ill custom bar. Eventually, all this will be tech. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I mean, I'm gonna keep this wire. This is a Files gate wire. It's I think it's what, 10 gauge. I don't even know if it say it on there. I want to say it's 10 though. And then this right here is a monster. It's what is this crap? It's also 10 gauge, I think. Let's see here, what is it? As my boy Jay Jones would say, what up, bro? Focus, son. Yeah, I think it's 10. But this is a high resolution speaker cable with magnetic flux tube in it. Whatever, it's wire. Here on this side, this will be my extra ground just for this little battery here. Down here, these two right here. I love this cable here. This stuff, I don't know where I got it from, but it is like true 4 gauge, 100% copper. Same with this. I don't know what brand this is. It's probably it's a good brand, whatever it is, because man, I've had this stuff for years and it still looks brand new. Double baffle. I got the lid coming down and I got a block sitting right here that I upscrewed into. Of course, drilled in countersink first, and it is very solid. I'm very happy with this box.